Wow, it's so good. Today we are going to be trying TYMO, which is a hair straightening comb, and I've never tried it before, but I've seen other people try it and it looks amazing, and it's affordable, only $49.99 on Amazon. And I'm so excited to try it out because anything that's affordable and that works and makes my life easier and makes me feel put together and confident and pretty and everything, and makes my hair feel really beautiful and its best, I want to try it. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start with opening it for the first time and getting a first impression of everything that this comes with, and then we'll get into how it works. So this is what the brush looks like for the comb. It feels pretty sturdy and it feels like well made. It has a swivel cord, which makes it easier to maneuver and use. The cord is not constantly in the way. It comes with a regular plug. You can always get an adapter if you live somewhere where it has a different type of plug. It comes with a heat glove to protect yourself if needed. It comes with 2 clips, and it comes with a carrying cable. It comes with a suggested temperature setting. Okay, so now that I've opened up the box, I'm going to get into the review and test it out. Let's go. This is how I woke up with my hair, and I haven't brushed it, I haven't done anything. I washed my hair last night and I put heat protectant, brushed it out, put it in a bun, and went to bed. So let's take it down, see what we're working with. This is my hair after sleeping on wet hair. It's completely dry. And wavy and needs to be brushed. I'm gonna separate my hair. I turned it on and it's blinking. That means that it's heating up. It's gonna show these lights right here. The highest is the highest temp and the lowest is the lowest temp. Mine is on the 3rd temperature from the top. So it's not on the highest and it's not on the lowest. It's on the 3rd temperature. Now we're gonna try it out. Let's do it up close. If you see me looking ahead, it's because I'm looking in the mirror while I straighten my hair with this straightening comb. Wow. It actually does work pretty good. it's like, it goes in so smooth. It doesn't tangle, it's not like pulling any of my hairs out. I have a couple of hairs, but we shed hair every day. When I brush my hair, I shed hair. So it could be from that, but I don't feel any like pulling or tugging on my hair at all. It's literally like so straight. Let's see. Let's pull from the back. So I do have to say one thing. It takes a little bit of figuring out, I guess, how it works with you, for you. The one thing is, like when you grab it and when you brush it, you can't really like just, wow. For the most part, it looks great. And it took half of the time. I feel like I have to press my hair with a straightener over and over and over again. This, I feel like I'm literally brushing. You do just have to be aware that when you brush the hair, you have to push it through. Actually, let me show you. So you have to push it, like, you can't just brush it like this. It doesn't work. You have to literally place it in and then brush. I'm gonna show you. Like, place it in like that and then brush it through like that to get the best results, I've noticed. Okay, let's try this side. Let's try the top part. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it, so hopefully I won't have any pulling or tugging. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it from this way. It does feel pretty hot if you put it a little bit close to your scalp, so just be careful. Wow, it's actually really straight compared to this hair. Let's try another section. I'm gonna brush it. I don't want to keep snagging my hair. Yeah, I feel tugging a little bit. I do feel a little bit of tugging still. It's kind of bothering me. Alright, I'm gonna try not to talk and I'm just gonna do it. Maybe I just need to focus on doing it instead of talking. So let me do that. Look at the difference. I think this is pretty great. Look at this side and then look at this side. Look at this side and then look at that side. The same quality as a straightener, like an actual straightener, but faster. I'm gonna do the other side now. I keep wanting to brush my hair, but you can't. You have to like press it in the comb, press it in the brush. I do see a little bit of hair in the comb, but that could just be my hair falling. It's not like an excessive amount. It's only like 1 or 2 strands. Let's see, I'm gonna do a little flip and see if it allows me to do that. Oh yeah, it does allow me to do a flip. I just push it into the comb and then I turn it. Wow, it's so good. It literally feels like I got a blowout or my hair got straightened. It's so good. Wow. I love my Revlon blow dryer brush, but this is really great too if you want to have like a super straight look. I just went and got some products that I use, and I have to tell you about this product. It's called It's a 10. It's amazing. I've been using it for like 13 years now, and honestly, it's something that I can't live without. It's incredible. It does so many different things. It's what I use as my heat protectant. I put it on damp hair. I put 10 pumps and I rub it on the top of my head. I put 10 pumps and I run it through the bottom of my hair. And then I put 5 pumps or 10. I just kind of go with the flow. I don't really pay extreme attention. And I rub it underneath, like on the baby hairs on the bottom of your neck. And this product is incredible. I highly recommend it. And then I just sleep on damp hair and I wake up in the morning and brush my hair out, and it's just amazing. I highly recommend this product. So to finish this off, I'm gonna use a product that I have never used before. It's basically a finishing spray, and I don't like having flyaways. I don't like having frizz. See my flyaways? I don't like it. It bothers me, and so I'm gonna finish it. Let's try it for the first time. First impression, it smells so good. It smells like just fresh, and it doesn't have an alcohol scent. That's so important to me. So now I'm gonna just brush it. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got this product. All right. I kind of want to spray some underneath just to tame. My impression of the TYMO. I really like it. I think the results are absolutely amazing. It works really well. I literally feel like I got my hair straightened by my hairstylist, but I got it with TYMO, and I did it myself. I'm not that great at straightening my hair. I just don't like to put so many sections. It takes forever. I don't want to do that. I kind of do a quick straighten and that's it. That's just who I am. But this thing makes it so easy. It's literally you press it through the brush and it straightens it. It is so straight and beautiful. I love it. The only thing is, make sure you brush your hair as you use your TYMO, because it does snag slightly, just a little bit, if you are using bigger sections. I believe that if you do use smaller sections, it won't snag at all. Yeah, there's no snagging. I love it. I highly recommend it. It's amazing. It's great. And I am going to continue to use it. It's beautiful. Let's look at the back. I hope this video helped you in some sort of way, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am so excited that I got to test out this product and it ended up being amazing, and I hope you get to test it out too and it works for you just as well as it worked for me. Until next time, bye!